Let's take a look at groups and sites in SafetyCulture. You can streamline user management by using groups for people and roles, and sites for locations and projects. We'll cover how each feature works, the key differences between them, and when you should use one over the other. Let's start by taking a closer look at groups. The Groups feature allows you to sort individual users into categories based on their team or role, managing a group of users all at once instead of individually. From there, it's easy to give them access to the items needed to complete their work by simply adding users to a group based on their role. When it comes to groups, it's best used for providing template and inspection access, assigning inspection schedules, sharing a heads-up to communicate with your team, and assigning training courses and quizzes. Next, let's take a look at sites. Sites allow you to track and analyze the data your team captures in SafetyCulture by associating it with a location or project. You can even build a site hierarchy to simplify managing users and data across multiple locations. You can link assets, inspection results, actions, and issues to a specific site, so you can view all related data under the one site profile. When it comes to sites, it's best used for viewing trends in analytics, managing assets by location, reporting issues to a specific site, and sharing inspection results to the right users based on their site membership. Groups and sites are even more powerful together. You can control which information your team has access to based on a combination of their group and site membership. For example, if the New York site is selected, the New York supervisors will see the results. But if the Los Angeles site is selected, only the Los Angeles supervisors will see the results. Take a look at how to do this by searching Create Advanced Access Rules in our Help Center. For more on groups and sites, head to help.safetyculture.com.